Hi everyone, Searing Frost here with another Python Basics video. Today we're going to talk about sets. Sets in Python are unordered collections of objects. They are very similar to mathematical sets, especially in that there are no repeat objects and set operations like union and intersection are implemented. One of the best uses of sets is to remove duplicates from other collections by turning them into sets. The simple set operations can also be very helpful, but if you need something more complex, look into pandas. Frozen sets are just sets that cannot be modified once they are created. This is useful when you want to guarantee some immutability. Sets can be created in two ways, with curly brackets or the built-in set function. Using curly brackets, you just separate the objects with commas. The built-in set function will create a set object out of an iterable object. All the basic operations for collections in Python work on sets. Length of set, x in set, x not in set work just like lists or other collections. Adding to sets can be done with the add element method or the update with another set method. Removing objects can be done with the remove element method, the discard element method, the pop method, or the clear method. Let's create some sample sets. One of ints, one of strings, and one with an int and a string. The length of our int set is 3. And using the int operator, we see that 1 is an element of it. Let's add a 4 with the add method. And then let's add the elements of the mix set with the update method. Notice that 1 is a common element between them, but it only appears once because the sets contain no duplicates. We can remove specific elements with remove. Let's remove the element 4. If we try to remove an element that's not there, such as 4 again, we get a key error. Discard works just like remove, but it does not raise a key error if the element is missing. The pop method removes a random element and returns it. Clear just removes everything from the set. Python also defines set-specific operations. The union, which is the bar operator, or pipe, returns all elements from two sets. It's like a SQL full outer join. The intersection, the ampersands and operator, returns common elements from two different sets. It's like a SQL inner join. The difference, which is just a minus sign operator, returns elements from the first set that are not in the second set. It's like a SQL left-only join. And then symmetric difference, which is the caret or exponentiation operator, returns elements in one set but not both. It's like a SQL full join minus an inner join. The union of set ints and set strings is all 6 elements. The intersection of set ints and set strings is the empty set because they contain no elements in common. If we intersect set strings and mixed set, we get the set containing just hello. The difference of set strings minus set ints is just the set of strings. But if we take the difference of set strings minus the mixed set, we lose the common element hello. Symmetric difference for set strings and set ints is all the members of both sets. But the symmetric difference of set strings and the mixed set drops hello because it's in the intersection of the two sets. Thanks for watching this Python Basics video on sets. They are very useful for some quick and dirty joins or dedupes. Use them as needed. Links to my blog post on sets and the video code are in the description. I'll see everyone next time.